Today we are in the Moray House in South Shore on Withnell Road in Blackpool, and I've booked a twin room, and here's the beds, nice comfy pillows, check the bed. Oh, a bit tough one. Yeah, quite clean. Little night light. It don't work. Window with a blind. Lovely pictures on the wall. Clock that doesn't work. Storage heater, towel for each, and tea, coffee, pepper there as well, milk, cups, kettle, it's a bit dusty. The inside is quite clean. Telly. Try to see if it works. Can't seem to get it to work. No, not get it to work. No. Just check there's batteries in there. Yeah, batteries, so I don't understand. Because it's not even flashing. So, I'll have to sort that out. Mirror. And this is ensuite bathroom, shower. And just check where the light is. There we are. So there's a shower. No, quite reasonably clean by the looks of it. Not quite clean in the corners. The ceiling's flaking. So put the paint up. Shaver's light, yeah, that works. Mirror, soap, hand soap dispenser that's empty by the looks of it. The sink looks a bit retro, 60s, 70s. The window that can't shut, so that might be chilly tonight. Toilet, clean toilet, bin, toilet brush, toilet roll, spare toilet roll, heater. Yeah, that works. Yeah, and somewhere to hang your clothes up. That's it. I forgot there's a set of drawers as well, of course. Some canvas type of drawers. Bedside lamp. And bedside drawers. But yeah, so let me know what's your favourite hotel in Blackpool, and don't forget to like, comment and share. The TV does now work, so there you go. Right, well, I don't normally do videos like this where I'm there basically in the morning, the Moray House, of course. And to be honest, I had a dreadful night's sleep because it was so cold. And this is the reason why. This window, can't even shut it. It's absolutely freezing. And a couple of other things that came to light as well was the fact of, you should be able to see that, hopefully it picks up, but as you can see there's very nasty stain on that, if you can see it, and that's on the sheet. And then of course as well, got a lovely wet stain there. And to be honest, it don't even look like this cover's been washed, because that's a bit glistening, and that is absolutely, yeah, absolutely disgusting. I've never been in a room that's, and also there's stains on the carpet. And opened the blinds this morning, and as you can see there's condensation. When me and my daughter got back last night, because of course this video was quite rushed when we got here because we had things to do. Basically got back and it absolutely reeked in here, as if, to me it smelled like a teenage bedroom. And it probably don't help as well, because this is an enclosed window. And also these headboards, look at how disgusting that is. It's just probably sweat, and that's probably what stinks as well. Look, both of them. So yeah, not considering this had great reviews on booking.com, I must be unlucky with this room. Well, because everybody says how great it is on booking.com and clean. And to be honest, the host, Georgia, she's a lovely lady. And I said, just shame about this room. But yeah, if you could give a like, comment, share, subscribe. As majority of you that watch don't subscribe, and it will help me out. And I'm so grateful for each and every one of you that watches. And I hope you enjoy these videos. Thanks for watching.